Hello friends, welcome to our channel KIDZMOTION. In this video today we learn how to improve modern farming through how to grow crops without soil using water gardening. We cover below topics in this video for understanding the water gardening. Introduction. Understanding water gardening. Advantages of water gardening. Efficient nutrient delivery. Water conservation. Faster growth. Space savings. Setting up a water garden. Choose a system. Select plants. Get the essentials. Planting process. Nutrient solution. Maintenance and care. Light. pH management. Nutrient levels. Pruning. Pest control. Final conclusion. We also describe multiple ways to best harvest for how to grow crops without soil using water gardening. Deep water culture, DWC. Drip system. Nutrient film technique, NFT. Wick system. Aeroponics. Kratky method. Vertical hydroponics. Experience. Space. Budget. Crop selection. Climate. Now we start the brief introduction to understand the how to grow crops without soil using water gardening. Introduction. Gardening is a wonderful way to connect with nature and enjoy fresh, homegrown produce. Traditionally, we have grown plants in soil, but there is an innovative technique gaining popularity, water gardening. This method allows you to cultivate crops without using soil. Instead, plants thrive in nutrient-rich water solutions. Water gardening is suitable for anyone, from beginners to experienced gardeners, and it can be done indoors or outdoors. In this guide, we will walk you through the basics of water gardening, helping you get started on this exciting and sustainable journey. Understanding water gardening. Water gardening, also known as hydroponics, is a method of cultivating plants in a water-based solution containing essential nutrients. Instead of relying on soil, plants receive nutrients directly through their roots, leading to faster growth and potentially higher yields. This method is particularly beneficial for areas with poor soil quality or limited space. Advantages of water gardening. Efficient nutrient delivery. In a water garden, plants have constant access to the nutrients they need. This leads to healthier growth and reduces the risk of nutrient deficiencies. Water conservation. Water gardening uses less water than traditional soil-based gardening. The water used is recirculated through the system, minimizing waste. Faster growth. Without the need to search for nutrients in the soil, plants can focus on growth and development, leading to faster maturation. Space savings. Water gardening can be done vertically or in compact setups, making it suitable for small spaces like balconies or indoor environments. Setting up a water garden. Choose a system. There are several types of hydroponic systems, each with its own advantages. The simplest is the deep water culture system, where plants float on a nutrient solution. Other options include the drip system, nutrient film technique, and wick system. Select plants. Many crops can thrive in water gardens, including lettuce, herbs, tomatoes, and peppers. Start with plants that are well suited for hydroponic growth. Get the essentials. You'll need containers or trays for plants, a nutrient solution, an air pump for oxygenation, a pH kit to measure acidity, and a light source for indoor setups. Planting process. If using seeds, germinate them in a separate medium before transferring them to the hydroponic system. Gently wash the roots to remove soil and place the plants in the chosen system. Deep water culture, DWC. This is one of the simplest hydroponic methods. Plants are suspended in a nutrient-rich solution with their roots submerged in the water. An air pump provides oxygen to the roots. DWC is ideal for growing plants with small to medium-sized root systems. Drip system. In this method, a nutrient solution is dripped onto the base of each plant through tubes or pipes. The excess solution is collected and reused. Drip systems are versatile and can be used for a wide range of plants. Nutrient film technique. NFT plants are placed in channels or troughs through which a thin film of nutrient solution flows. The roots are exposed to the solution while air is allowed to reach them as well. NFT systems are great for leafy greens and herbs. Wick system. This is a passive system where a wick draws the nutrient solution from a reservoir to the plant's roots. It's a straightforward method suitable for small-scale gardening. Aeroponics. In aeroponics, plants are suspended in air and their roots are misted with a nutrient solution. This provides high levels of oxygen to the roots, promoting rapid growth. Kratky method. Similar to DWC, this method involves suspending plants over a nutrient solution, but it doesn't require an air pump. It's low-cost and straightforward, making it great for beginners. Vertical hydroponics. This involves growing plants vertically, often in stacked layers or towers. It's a space-efficient way to maximize productivity in small areas. When choosing the best method for you, consider the following. Experience. Some methods are simpler for beginners, while others require more technical knowledge. Space. If you have limited space, vertical systems or compact setups might be more suitable. Budget. Different systems have varying costs associated with setup and maintenance. Crop selection. Certain crops are better suited for specific hydroponic methods. For example, lettuce and herbs tend to thrive in DWC or NFT systems, while larger plants like tomatoes might do better in drip systems. Climate. If you are growing indoors, you'll need to provide adequate lighting and climate control. It's a good idea to start small and gradually expand as you gain experience. Research each method, consider your goals and constraints, and experiment to find what works best for you. Remember that successful water gardening involves regular monitoring, maintaining the right nutrient balance, and providing optimal conditions for your plant's growth.